So, very good evening.
Yeah, very good evening to you. How are you?
Yes, I am good. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm totally fit as fiddle. I'm also good. Yeah.
So, I think we should start with our introduction. So, will you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. So my name is Sanjana. I'm living in Delhi and I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I created my YouTube channel. So I am, you can say I'm a YouTuber also. And I have two kids. If I talk about my qualifications, so I'm graduated. Yes, and in these days, I'm learning English. Yeah, that's all about me. Can you
Okay,
introduce
thank
yourself?
you.
Yeah.
Yes, my name is Saraswati and I am from Mumbai. And
Okay.
basically, I belong to Uttar Pradesh. My education is I am BA, B.Ed, but nowadays I am a homemaker also, like you. Yeah.
Oh, so how many kids you have?
I have a daughter. She is 11-year-old now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So how long have you been learning this English?
Actually, I have started to speak this language 3 months ago. I started.
Okay. So why you want to learn?
No, I'm not learning this language for job purpose because I already left my job. I worked for 15 years in Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah,
So where
sorry.
means which post?
Okay, actually, I completed my BA BA degree, and but after that, I also completed web designing course.
Okay.
Yeah, so I worked in that field.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what is your hobbies?
My hobbies are cooking, playing badminton with my daughter, singing, dancing. But nowadays, whenever I have time, I just work on my communication skill. Yeah.
Okay, so this is you want to improve only for your satisfaction that you want to improve because
Yes.
you
It's
not
my,
want to job. Yeah.
yes. Yes. What
Okay.
about
So
you? Why you are learning this language?
yes, I want to do job in future when my children will grown up because this time my kids are very young. Yeah, and also I want to give English environment at home. So yeah, that's all.
Oh,
That's
that's
it.
great.
That's why I'm
And,
learning. Yeah.
and when you have started your journey?
Before 4 months ago I started, and if I talk about my speaking part, so when I started my taking conversation, so 1 month ago I started, and now before I only posted my solo videos on my YouTube channel. Yes,
Huh?
and now this time I'm uploading conversation video as well. So are you YouTuber as well?
Yes, I am a YouTuber as well.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so do
When you
you
have
have any
started your channel?
I started my channel last year, but that time I was not working. Yeah, and before 4 months ago, I that time my channel name was Kids Creativity, but after before 4 months ago, I changed my channel name. Let's learn English with Sanjana. So you can. So before 4 months ago, I started my channel. Yeah.
So that's good.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So do you have any topic for the discussion?
So if you have any topic, you can raise so we can discuss.
Yes, I have. Because okay, so tell me about degree and knowledge, which is important for a human being. Yes,
Degree is important, but knowledge is more important.
yes. Why?
Yes. Because if you have a lot of degree, but you have no knowledge, so you will not get job easily.
Yes, yes,
And suppose if you get job, so your salary will not good. Sometimes your post will not good. But if you have knowledge and if you have a degree also, so definitely you will get good post, good knowledge, means get selected in good company, good office, and even you can also earn more money.
yes, yes. Right. even in my opinion, degree and knowledge both are important, but knowledge is there mostly important where we want to do our business, own business, so there is no compulsory of degree, right? If we want to do job like a professional job or any kind of job, so there is compulsory degree, because firstly we go to, if we go to take any kind of job, so there is a interview where we have to show our degree, right?
Yes.
Yes, if we
And
have
some
no.
jobs are there that is required for this particular degree. If you have
Yes,
as a if you want to be a teacher, so your degree you must have completed your B.Ed or BMed degree, and after that you will be selected.
yes, yes,
Uh,
that's why. Yes,
and as
and
the
knowledge is
same way,
also
if you
very.
will if you want to go in engineering line, so you will, if you have degree of B.Tech, so you can go in that field.
Yes, even if we have no degree, so they don't, judge your knowledge. You have knowledge or not. If you have degree, so they can ask you questions about that particular degree about, right? If you want to do job. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, you are in Mumbai right now. So, how is the weather over there?
Weather is good, but last 2 days we feel little bit cold. But we
Uh,
can say it's pleasant weather, not cold, but it's good weather in Mumbai. Still,
uh,
we are not wearing sweaters also.
yes, yes, I can see.
Hmm.
Yeah. And in Delhi, there is little bit cold because today sun is not appearing here. Yeah,
Uh,
so that's why.
so it's little bit cold or too cold?
You can say too cold. Yes, too
Too
cold.
cold.
In morning and evening, it's too cold, but in afternoon, it can be, yeah, little bit.
Okay.
Yes, today, yeah.
So do you like winter season or summer season? Which season you
Yes,
prefer more?
I like winter season, but in winter season we feel very lazy. Like, yes, in summer season we more active, right? And
Yeah.
we do more work, but in winter season we just want to stay at home, just take our blanket and tea, fritters, just
For
enjoy.
for housewife, it's not good because they have to work in kitchen. So means
Yes,
after to wet all times their hand, and so that time it's a little bit uncomfortable. Yeah.
yes, you are right, because all the things, being a housewife we have to do all the things, like cooking, washing two dishes, and clothes, household chores, everything we have to do. Yes, right.
So as you told that after when your children will grow up, so you will join job. So which type of job would you prefer in future?
I'm preferring like teaching, like primary teacher. I want to do, because this time I have not done any kind of B.Ed or D.Ed. You can say I have not done, but I'm thinking about this. Yeah.
Mhm.
So let's see what will happen with me. Yeah.
But
Yes.
if you improve your English, so you will get opportunity, full
Yes. Yes.
opportunity.
Yes, if I don't get any kind, means teaching job, if I don't get, so other like receptionist, I can do that job. Yes,
That's
yeah,
good.
yeah, that's
But
why.
you have decided to work in future.
Yes, yeah, because earlier before marriage I worked, but after marriage I lived everything, and I'm just now a homemaker right now. Yeah. But yes, when my children will grown up, so definitely I will do, if my husband agree with me, so yeah, definitely I will do.
Okay. So as you are a housewife, so do you means like to be a housewife?
No, I don't like, because why if means being a housewife, we are doing lot of things, but what we are listening, you are not doing nothing at home, you are just staying at home and you just you taking rest. They, yes, their thinking is that homemaker
Mhm.
are not doing anything. Not
Um,
everyone, but some people they thought about us, right?
yes, yes.
Yes,
And because of that you have decided in future you will work.
yes, yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
But in my side, I have decided not to work, and I will just want to spend time with my daughter, want to teach her, and yeah, and means I just enjoy this